Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix WWE 2K26 game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Here are the required specs. Make sure your PC have all these specs, and after that try to launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, come back again and type -DX12 and then launch the game and check if this is working now. If it doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. After that, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now try to log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Here is the application, right click on it, here is the game application, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and now try to launch the game, click on the play button and check if the game is opening or not. But if the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and then move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. So for that, you have to go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option that you will get over here. Click on it and wait for some time. Now after you click on it, wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and you have to check if the enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled or disabled. If it is enabled, click on it to disable it. After disabling, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Search for device manager. Now after it opens, here you have to expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After updating your graphics drivers, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on downloads, so go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. So this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. So confirm it. After that, restart your Steam, again log in to it, and after that try to launch the game and then check if it's working now. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it. So after it is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. Once you get setup successful message over here, close this, restart your PC, and after that log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to disable antivirus software. So if you are having any antivirus software installed on your PC, you are suggested to disable it. This will surely help to fix the issue, because most of the time the antivirus program stops you from playing the game. So before you launch the game, disable the antivirus program and then try to play it and check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to move game to SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then also you can come across several kinds of issues while playing it. So you have to check it and install the game on SSD or move it to the SSD. So you can check it by going to Steam, click on settings, and here you have to click on settings, and after that here go to the storage, and all games are listed over here, whether it's on SSD or on other drive. So select the game if the game is on another drive, and after that click on move option. So this will move the game to your SSD, and after that try to log into the game and check. Next is to delete temp files. So for that, press Windows plus R and have to type temp, 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 press OK. Whatever the files come or folders come, simply select them and click on the delete icon. Now after deleting the temp files, try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Task Manager. Now under Processes tab, here you have to select those apps which are running in the background without any use. So after you select them, right click on it, click on End Task. Now after this, log into the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to install DirectX on your system. For that, so I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. So after the website opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on your system. After that, install it. Once you install it, log into the game and check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, launch the game and then check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall WWE 2K26 game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall WWE 2K26 game, and finally click on the play option to check whether the game is launching or not. So these are few solutions to fix WWE 2K26 game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, showing black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.